Welcome to today's episode of Rachel Quinto Creates. Today we are going to be watercolor blending while lettering, and I'm using Prima Marketing's Confections in the Classics palette, and that is an artist's Trove waterbrush, I think in the finest tip that they have. So this is Kassa watercolor paper, and I'll put all this information in the description box below. It's a little bit more textured than I'm used to, but I'm playing around with it because I have a whole pad. So basically the process is to add that dark color while the letters are wet. So you can see that I'm going to be lettering one letter at a time. And for reference, I do not normally write this quickly. This is sped up to 2 times fast. If I did this in real time, this is about 6-7 minutes. So I figured I'd speed it up just a little bit. And so what you can see is that I am writing the letter in that light pink color, and I'm making sure that it's a little wet. I don't want it to be soaked to the point where it's this whole mound of water on the letter, but you want it to have that shiny look to it. If you put the paper against the light, and you can see that there's that shine of wetness on the letter. And then that's when I go in with the darker color and just touch up on the top. And I concentrate more on the top, and the watercolor paper itself and the wetness of the letter itself will help pull down the darker color and help it blend within the areas that are underneath. So you get that nice little ombre effect in between the pink and the purple. So basically, I'm playing around with that dark purple, trying to get it to move within that watercolor paper, within the dampness of the actual letter itself. So it can get a little difficult because if you're used to just writing the whole word out and then going in for the blend, the letters at the beginning will dry up, and then it would be harder and you'd actually get those harsh lines. So if you do go in one letter at a time, and then add the darker color, that's when you get that really nice blend. It is a little difficult because then you kind of lose sight of where the direction that your letters are going. So it takes a little bit of practice. I'm not thrilled with the way Pretty came out, just the way the alignment of the letters and how everything came out, because I was doing everything one at a time. But it's okay, and I'm okay with that. There's always next time, and there's always other projects, and there's always practice to make yourself get better. So then just get into the last letter, and you'll just keep working on it, and that's it. If you have anything else you want to see me do, go ahead and leave me a comment below, and I will try to get to it as soon as I can. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, share, and I'll see you next time. Bye.